Did that?
Today we're going to be talking about likes and dislikes.
We got lots of them.
There's a whole list of them. I like is dijeridu, so that's dijeridu. And I don't like is genev. So here's the first example.
genev, leth.
dijeridu, korev.
Only in moderation.
dijeridu, jynn-donsya. leur. leur. and genev, pasti. What's inside you? genev and moima. genev.
Balls have balls.
krunk.
genev, Karow Rudhwynn I.
So Miraz for watching.
Miraz.
Share with your mates if you want, or just leave it in a skip with all your discarded moccasins, whatever you want.
Yeah, so language is yours. You can use it if you want.
Use it if you don't want.
Use the word. Use the word.